Ito yung affordable hotel sa Cubao na may covered infinity pool, high-end ang vibes, at walking distance lang sa MRT Cubao, Bus Terminal at Araneta Coliseum. Dito lang yan sa Red Hotel, located along EDSA Cubao, Quezon City. Nagbook kami dito ng family room via Klook for only 2,800 pesos. Tapos good for 3 packs na yan at may kasama pang breakfast. Syempre, pwede pang madiscountan yan ha. Gamitin nyo lang yung code ko na Erica's Cloak. Anyway, ganito nga pala kalawak at kaaliwalas yung room namin. May dalawang queen bed, malakas na aircon, flat screen TV with Netflix, complimentary coffee and water, working or dining area na may view ng Farmers Cubao, may mini ref at hanging clothes rack. Sa bathroom naman may hot and cold shower, hair blower, at complete na rin with basic toiletries. Ganito naman swimming pool nila at nagustuhan ko talaga na covered pool to, kaya hindi ka mabibilad sa araw. At in fairness dito sa gym nila ha, malaki at maayos ang mga equipment. For breakfast naman, masasabi kong sulit ang bayad nyo dito dahil marami-rami ang option kagaya ng rice, mga savory na ulam, juice, coffee, and fruits. 8-minute walk lang to sa Araneta kaya sakto rin kung may aatenan kayong concert or Korean fan meet. Alam nyo, for me, worth it talaga tong Red Hotel if you're looking for a budget-friendly staycation, lalo na ngayong summer dahil may room sila for as low as 1,700 pesos. O diba? Kaya mag-book na kayo via Klook and use the code Erica's Cloak to get a discount.